Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing the SPX500 or the S&P 500, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So I'm definitely still looking at this as a 1, 2, 3 pattern on the weekly time frame. Most wave threes do go to the 161.8, which is right at the $5,900 area. So for now, definitely still very bullish. I think eventually we are going to make a big correction that will probably last several months, but I definitely don't think we're to that point yet. And eventually, after the wave 4 is over, it should go back up and make a wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this is a wave 1, this is a wave 2, this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. We do have 5 waves now. I mean, it doesn't look very quite right because the third wave is way smaller than the first wave. So I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it actually stretched out beyond the 161.8. But for now, the $5,900 area is still my target for this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame, the market keeps trying to push down. It's done it several times, which I'll show you on the sort of time frames. But the trend is definitely still up. Still all subdivisions of a wave 3 on the weekly, monthly time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time thing, this thing keeps on pushing down and making false breakouts. Right there, it did a false breakout, ended up being another ABC correction and just kept on going up. And then right here, it did another one. It went 1, 2, 3 waves down, broke, structured to the downside, but it was a false break. It was a 1, 2, 3 pattern, which actually, I now looking at this again, I think this is likely a 1, 2, 3 right here. So this down here to me looks like a 1. This looks like a 2. I think this could be the wave 3. I think this could be the wave 4. I think now we could be in the wave 5, which should take out the 100% area. And if it is a wave 5, once that wave 5 is complete, then maybe we will make a much bigger pullback for like a wave 2. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, def definitely still looking for longs. I definitely wouldn't try to go long now. If anything, I would have to wait for a pullback to go long again. But definitely bullish. I think that we're going to end up around the $5,900 area eventually on the higher time frames. So keeping that in mind, I would definitely try to get long every single pullback I see on these sort of time frames, especially if you see 1, 2, 3 wave pullbacks, ABC corrections, and Fibonacci bounces. That's exactly where I would be looking to go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.